Good morning, my fellow Jamaicans. Big up on yourself. And I should say I'm very proud of the persons that came out and vote and make this election impossible to steal. I mean, even if the Jamaica Labour Party were stealing election before this one, this is the one that really show up the Jamaica Labour Party. The stealing in this one shouldn't have occurred because the democratic movement and the democratic process has proved the right way of electing candidates for parliament. The democratic movement and the democratic process has proven that it works. It works. I mean, many might say the People's National Party have lost 3 times in a row. But in the 2020 election, the masses didn't move. They didn't move. So they allow the process to go on without them. So I wouldn't say that the People's National Party lost an election in 2020. I would say that the People's National Party boycott that election in 2020. Now, what has happened now in 2025 is a process that couldn't be avoided because the river come down, the masses come down. All of the Jamaican people, well-thinking Jamaicans who don't want no hurry come up nothing, Jamaicans who want policies that will benefit them and their kids and their grandkids and their great-grands. That's the Jamaicans that came out and voted the other day. I want to take the time out here to big up all the vloggers, all of you guys, including myself. We work tirelessly, day and night, sometime all 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. I'm just finishing live on TikTok. 5 a.m. in the morning. That's how hard we have worked. Every single vlogger that vlog for the People's National Party deserve an applaud. Everybody work hard to put the People's National Party on the winning column. And trust me, they have won. The People's National Party won this election fair and square. I believe that the Jamaica Labour Party, they just allow the process to the democratic process to just go on fairly. PNP would have picked up at least 50 seats. Because election night, all you would hear is that seat, it seems projectively, the People's National Party is going to project the winner. That's all you would be hearing on election the 3rd of September. That it seems that the People's National Party is going for that seat as well. But guess what? They saw it coming, including Andrew Holness' seat. I mean, that one Andrew Holness didn't see. Andrew Holness didn't see his seat. None at all. He didn't expect it that the people in his constituency would vote him out. That's one seat Andrew wasn't watching. He was watching all the other seats in Jamaica. All 62 seats. But he wasn't watching his seat. And for the persons, I would say my labor right friend them will not celebrate. Me respect on them. All of my labor right friend them will not celebrate. Me respect on them to the max. Because you guys saw the process and realized that your party didn't win. You realize it. That your party didn't win. You know that the People's National Party won this one. You know. Now listen how the country has elected a new Prime Minister. Andrew Holness, the current one, is buckling for his seat. And the The one where we get it, beat his opponent by almost 8,000 votes. Make it make sense. The man who the Jamaican people elected to lead us won his seat with over 8,000 votes than his opponent. So Labour Right and PNP in Mark Golding constituency vote him in to be our Prime Minister. That constituency of Mark Golding never tell a lie. Those persons make sure that Mark Golding become the Prime Minister of Jamaica. And the rest of the country did the same. None of my Labour Right friend them down a central Manchester now celebrate. You know why? Because they know that central Manchester vote out Rhoda Crawford. How can you say you are the best MP ever passed through Manchester Central, and yet still you can't beat or win that seat with over 2,000 votes, or say 1,500 votes in advance to your opponent? That means you didn't win the seat. 236 votes is not a win for me. For over 5 years. Over 5 years. And the people in central Manchester vote you out because they don't want you to lead them or represent them. This election, I told you guys, it's going to be one of the most corrupt one. And one of the most upset one. I told you that this election, if it is close, PNP won't get it. I told you, the video is there, it went viral. That if the election is close, JLP are going to take it. Desmond Mackenzie tell you, they won't be handing over the country to the PNP. So right now, they are the one that choosing who to win from who not to win, not the people of Jamaica. So I just want to take the time out to big up every single Jamaican, all the persons in the diaspora that came down and vote. Big up on yourself, everybody, all my supporters, persons who have converted, persons who pay close attention to my vlogging over the 5 years and decide, yeah, the barber that trimmed me yesterday, he's around 40 something, almost 50, and it's the first time he voted, and it was September 3rd, 2025. There's a whole lot of people in Jamaica wanted the change, and they voted for a change. And I want to take the time out to big up each and every one of you guys. You guys are the best. I'm a proud owner. And the only thing I regret is the scholarship for the first in family. The housing for the persons who is paying 60 grand and 50 grand and 40 grand and 100 grand and 80 grand and 90 grand for rent. And those rent could have converted into your own home. That's what I regretted. I regret it. I regret that persons who is self-employed, who actually need a loan and can't get it because they don't have a pink slip or a pay slip. It's really hard on those folks. And I really regret. You know what I mean? But you guys tried. But don't call it a spade yet, you know. Because the 900 ballot where they say spoil in a Northeast and Chilani. Northeast Chilani. That needs to be looked into. I don't know if it's 500 or 900, but one of them are 500 and one of them are 900. Two